In this video, I'll be showing you what I consider to be the best budget recording media option for the Blackmagic 6K Pro. After some research, I found the Samsung T7 portable SSD to be the best budget choice option. Right now, you can pick up a 1TB drive for $69 on Amazon. Here I am unboxing the SSD. It doesn't come with much, just a Type-C cable, Type-C to Type-A cable, and some documentation, which is probably the 3-year warranty. For our case, we only need the Type-C cable. We can attach the camera as shown like this and use it, but we won't let the SSD dangling off the camera like this. To solve this issue, I will be using a universal SSD mount by SMALLRIG. Here I am unboxing it. Here's everything included. Surprisingly, it doesn't come with a manual. The spring feels really strong and high quality. I'll be mounting the SSD holder directly to the camera, so I'll need to remove this cold shoe. And to mount the camera, I'll only need one screw. Here I am installing it and the SSD. Looking back, I probably could have put it sideways so the cable comes off to the left, but it's okay like this. I'll leave it like this for now. With this setup, I can record any format and use the Blackmagic 6K Pro to its full potential. Anyway, this is not my usual type of video. I hope it was okay and to the point. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'll answer it. And links to everything will be in the description. If you like the video, leave me a like and consider subscribing. See you in the next one.